Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports roundup.
Coaches, as well as president of the Intersecondary School Sports Association, ISSA Keith Wellington, say that precautions have been taken for the number of games to come in the next couple of weeks following the draw of the Champions Cup on Tuesday. Wellington expressed that they had prepared for the adverse weather conditions, which led to the postponement of many matches.
Luckily, we did build in a few days at the back end of the season to allow for greater rest for the teams. We have had to use up those days so the teams won't get as much rest as we would have wanted them to. And if you look at the Champions Cup, it's now basically compressed into 1 week, Saturday, Wednesday, Saturday. That has, and the semi-finals of the Doncaster Cup and Manning Cup is going to be played the week of the finals. So that's how we have been able to compress the competition so that we can finish in time for the Christmas break.
Wellington is also very confident the players are being taken care of.
The medical situation is a lot more than on match day. A lot has to be done for the kids in training as they lead up to the games. And so for us, we have really good coaches and management staff, especially at this level of the competition. So we are sure that the schools will be putting the necessary measures to ensure that the kids get rested, they are properly hydrated. It's also flu season, so you have to think about keeping them healthy from whatever virus may be going around.
And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.